Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore a useful feature in the Google Chrome beta browser on mobile that allows you to show the zoom option in the main menu. This feature can make browsing easier. First, open the Google Chrome beta browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three dots icon at the top right. From this menu, find and tap on Settings to continue. Scroll down slowly until you find the option called Accessibility and tap on it. Next, within Accessibility, scroll down until you see the Show Zoom option in Main Menu Setting. Finally, turn on this feature by tapping the toggle button next to it. Once activated, you will notice that the Zoom option now appears in your main menu for easy access whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.